In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a table of content in Google Docs. I have already inserted a document and now we will create a table of content for it. First, create a new page by clicking at the beginning of the document and pressing Ctrl plus Enter to insert a page break. Next, click Insert at the top menu and choose Page Element, then select Table of Content with page number. Now select each heading in your document, click Format, go to Paragraph Style and apply heading 1. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus 1. If you don't like how the heading looks, edit it first, then click Format, then Paragraph Style, then update heading 1 to match. Apply heading 1 to the rest of the heading in the document. After that, scroll back up to the table of content, click on it, and then click the refresh icon. You now have a quick and easy table of content with page number. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.